Here we go. We're gonna finalize our series discussion with a focus on turning small actions into lifelong habits. Gentlemen, consistency is the key to mastery. Consistency is a pivotal element in our journey of mastery across various domains of life. Consistency is merely a practice of engaging in small, manageable actions repeatedly over time that cultivate discipline and drive progress. When you focus on consistency, you can create a sustainable framework within which they operate, leading to significant results that compound over time. This principle applies universally, whether in professional endeavors, health routines, or personal development efforts. In a professional context, consistency can manifest through daily work habits that enhance productivity and effectiveness. So let's move this along and have a serious conversation about health and vitality. Physical health is the most visible aspect of well-being, often measured by factors such as body composition, fitness levels, and the absence of chronic diseases. It forms the foundation for vitality, as a strong body typically supports a more active lifestyle, allowing for greater participation in various activities. Mental health, however, involves cognitive functions, emotional stability, and psychological well-being, playing an important role in how we perceive and interact with the world and people in our world. The dimension of mental health, my brothers, affects motivation, focus, and the ability to cope with life's challenges, and we will face them. And that is a direct impact on our vitality. Emotional health encompasses the ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively. It is inherently linked to both men.